The string section in the orchestra has been the chief lyric harmonic element for much of the past 250 years. All kinds of music have been composed for the string orchestra are homophonic, contrapuntal, thematic, and as well as accompaniment music. Three concepts are important to discuss about: foreground, middle ground, and background. Composer's skill can be measured by the way he orchestrates these three elements in his music. Let's look at Brahms' Symphony No. 3, third movement. Brahms chooses the cello to expose the beautiful theme, foreground, surrounded by the remaining string as background. Many professional orchestrators recommend staying away from the register of the melody line. In some instances, especially when foreground and background are performed by instruments of similar color, this is good advice, but in some cases we must consult our knowledge of register characteristics.